On behalf of Guru KPO, I, Professor B.K.Jain from Byani Institute of Science and Management of Byani Group of Colleges, welcomes you in this session. The topic for this session is National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, its supervisory functions. Earlier I discussed promotional functions. Now I would discuss supervisory functions of NABARD. Supervisory means the various instruments through which NABARD supervises the financing institutions like state cooperative bank, RRBs, commercial banks. One of the supervisory function is conducted by NABARD through conducting statutory inspection of cooperative banks and RRBs. Here the word statutory is very important. Statutory means legal powers of conducting inspection by NABARD. There is an act known as Banking Regulation Act. Under this, the NABARD has powers which have been given by Reserve Bank of India to NABARD for conducting statutory inspection of cooperative banks and RRBs. Statutory inspection means legal power to call for records, making inspection report, and finally ensuring compliance of these observations made by NABARD in this inspection report, and that is why it is known as statutory inspection power by NABARD. The next is, as against statutory, it also conducts voluntary inspection. Voluntary inspection means whenever NABARD likes, it can go for voluntary inspection, and voluntary inspection is done of State Cooperative Marketing Federation. Why? Because this marketing federation gets money from State Cooperative Bank for performing various functions, and these functions which are performed by State Marketing Federation are marketing of agriculture produce, supply of inputs like seeds and fertilizers, agro-processing, procurement. For all these functions, this State Marketing Federation gets money from State Cooperative Bank, and State Cooperative Bank gets money from NABARD, and that is why, though it does not come under the statutory inspection, but NABARD conducts voluntary inspection of this State Cooperative Marketing Federation. The third form of supervisory control of NABARD on these institutions is through off-site inspection through periodical returns. NABARD does not go to these institutions, but it conducts supervisory function through calling various periodical returns, and these periodical returns are called for. The return may be a weekly return, maybe a fortnightly return, maybe a monthly return, maybe a quarterly return, 6 monthly return, and annual returns. So sitting in the head office, NABARD through these periodical returns goes through these returns, find out weaknesses, and communicate these weaknesses to the concerned institution. So it is known as off-site inspection. And lastly, NABARD is also having power to recommend to the Reserve Bank of India whether a particular state cooperative bank or a RRB can open a branch or not, because finally permission for opening a new branch is given by Reserve Bank of India. So NABARD is an intermediary institution which recommends to Reserve Bank of India whether a particular state cooperative bank or RRB can be permitted to open a branch or not. This is in very brief about the supervisory functions of NABARD. Thank you. For further details, please log on to our website www.gurukpo.com.